Hello everyone, I am Mohamed Ismail, Deputy Director of CultNet. CultNet is the Center for Documentation of Cultural and Natural Heritage, one of Bibliotheca Alexandrina centers. I am also PhD candidate at Helwan University in Heritage and Museum Studies. I'm talking today about my project Virtual Museum of Tutankhamun version 1. As we know, the virtual reality and real-time 3D technology, in addition to many other display technologies, are getting more and more into our life nowadays. The use of immersive virtual reality systems in heritage can allow users visiting inaccessible sites, as well as they can allow both greater richness and diversity in content. I am presenting the development of some virtual reality applications displayed on VR headsets, showing some aspects of Tutankhamun stories and treasures. There are many definitions of virtual museums. According to VMUST is a network of excellence EU-funded project focused on virtual museums. A virtual museum is a digital entity that draws on the characteristics of a museum in order to complement, enhance, or augment the museum experience through personalization, interactivity, and richness of content. Another definition of virtual museum is a collection of digital recorded images, sound files, text documents, and other data of historical, scientific, or cultural interest that are accessed through electronic media. Virtual museums can perform as the digital footprint of a physical museum or can act independently. As with a traditional museum, a virtual museum can be designed around specific objects or can consist of new exhibitions created from scratch. Moreover, a virtual museum can refer to the on-site, mobile, or World Wide Web offerings of traditional museums, or can be born digital content such as virtual reality and digital art. In my project, I developed different experiences to cover variety of content related to Tutankhamun. The first application is a virtual visit to the tomb with its collection. I used different types of headsets: Oculus Rift, Oculus Quest, Oculus Go. I'm planning to build the application on more VR display devices like Vive. The second application is 360 documentary video, allowing the user to visit Valley of the Kings and the tomb, providing some information about King Tut and some stories behind. The third application is a mixed reality app showing some objects from the treasures. Using headsets or smartphone, the user can move around the marker to explore the artifact from different angles. In addition, I developed an AR application for interpreting the scenes on the wall of the burial chamber of Tutankhamun. The last application is the three-dimensional hologram for displaying the mask and the throne of the King Tut. That display system is based on paper ghost effect. It's an illusion technique used to simulate the original display of the objects by using video display and a translucent oblique mirror. For achieving version 1 of the virtual museum of King Tut, I have built a 3D model for the tomb and some artifacts using Blender software. Taking some photographs for the original tomb and the replica of the tomb, which is located in Children's Civilization and Creativity Center in Cairo. Shooting 360 videos and photos for Valley of the Kings and Tomb of Tutankhamun using CoCam 360 camera and its package for stitching, and illustrating the walls of the burial chamber using Adobe Illustrator, as well as using Adobe Photoshop for image processing and retouching and Adobe Premiere for video editing. On the other side, I developed VR and AR applications using the Unity 3D engine. The virtual museum of Tutankhamun will be exhibited in Luxor Museum. Thank you.